he also built the bamboo kuti with the grasses roof. Then finally he offered this kuti to the Bhikkhu Sangha in the forest. Because of this kusala, not such kinds of very great kuti, is it? Only small kuti made of the bamboo he offers to the Bhikkhu Sangha. Then Bhikkhu Sangha also practice meditation in the kuti offered by this poor man. Because of this kusala, what happened? Whenever he reflected on his kusala, he was very happy all the time. Because of this reason, when he passed away, he became a deva and towering the deva ranks. Okay, towering the deva ranks. Then since this time, he never fell into the lower ranks. He became only in Himera as a human being, sometimes in Devara as a Deva, sometimes in Brahma realms as a Dharma. For how long? 91 years. 91 years. Okay? Not only one life, not only 1,000 lives, not only 1 year. 91 years in many lives. Then finally, he was born as a man in rich family. Then finally, he ordained as a monk and listens to the Dhamma and practice meditation. Then he became Arahanta even within very short time. Okay, very short time. That is the benefit of offering of monastery or dwelling place, even small huts. So I hope all of you will be able to rejoice or will be happy with the contribution of the good donations to the monastery offering. So all become the donor of monastery. Then even the Buddha also cannot. Even everybody cannot describe the benefit of the donation of monastery. Only the Buddha can describe. That is why. Okay. Then by knowing this story, then may be able to rejoice the donation of the monastery. Then not only one time you offer the monastery or kutis to the Bhikkhu Sangha, later on you have responsibilities to continue to support the Bhikkhu Sangha or the monastery with the 4 requests according to your ability. Then in this way, we are, we Bhikkhu Sangha Sakara Anagara Cha Upo Inyunya Nisita Aradyanti Sadama Yoga Kema Anutara. We Bhikkhu Sangha teachers are learning, teaching the Buddha's teaching. We Bhikkhu Sanghas are practicing samatha and vipassana meditation. Then Sagara, layperson, upasaka, upasika have responsibility to support 4 requests to those Bhikkhu Sangha. In this way, Bhikkhu Sangha also will teach meditation practice to the lay devotee. Finally, they can also practice samatha and vipassana meditation successfully. Finally, they can also become a noble person. They can also realize Nibbana. In this way, Sakara, Upasaka, Upasika, lay supporter. Anagara, Bhikkhu Sangha should propagate the Buddha dispensation together. In this way, the Buddha dispensation, the Buddha Sasana will last for long times. Then may you be able to propagate the Buddha dispensation, may be able to practice 3 trainings until you become Arahanta.